Hi, everyone. I'm CBS 19 Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony. Thanks for reading the CBS 19 weather blog. This video is designed to enhance your experience. Let's start by talking about the severe risk outlook for tomorrow. We've been upgraded to a level 3 out of 5. That means we have an enhanced risk of severe weather in Tyler and Longview, still a slight risk in places such as Nacogdoches and Lufkin. An enhanced risk means numerous severe thunderstorms are possible tomorrow. Large hail, up to maybe golf ball sized hail, and tornadoes will be more possible in the orange area than, let's say, the yellow area. One of the things that we need is fuel for thunderstorms. And when we look at the moisture, it has continued to increase here as we have headed through the week. Earlier forecasts had the deepest moisture over deep East Texas. Now that deep moisture is making it all the way to the Red River. Not necessarily a good thing for us because we have this dry line, that yellow line there, bumping into that very moist air. Dry air, moist air, collision point, showers, thunderstorms. That's round 1 tomorrow afternoon. Round 2 in the evening comes in when this cold front sweeps in and kind of cleans out whatever moisture is left over. So a round of thunderstorms in the afternoon, a round of potentially severe thunderstorms in the evening. Let's talk about low-level jet stream winds. This is important because if we can see the wind speeds at 5,000 feet off the surface of the earth, we know there is something called speed shear. Down on the surface of the earth, because of the earth's friction, because of the earth's surface creating friction, the winds are going to be a lot lower. When we get up to about 5,000 feet and we see these dark green areas, those are winds up to 65 miles an hour at 5,000 feet off the surface. So can you see the difference in speed? Maybe down on the surface at around 20 miles an hour, you go up 5,000 feet, now you're talking about 65 to 70 mile an hour winds. So that creates speed shear. That helps thunderstorms to start to turn and rotate. If they can rotate, they can get strong updrafts. If they get strong updrafts, they can have large hail. And if they're twisting, they can create tornadoes. That area of shear works its way across East Texas through the day tomorrow. All right, let's talk about rotation potential. Rotation potential looks at the potential for those thunderstorms to start turning and twisting. If they're turning and twisting, again, large hail, tornadoes are possible, and you'll see these what we call helicity tracks or rotational tracks moving through East Texas tomorrow. So there are several areas where we could have some very strong thunderstorms with strong winds. All right, let's put Future Skycast into motion. We're starting this Thursday morning. Just a few non-severe scattered showers and thunderstorms, but here we go. Middle part of the afternoon, the dry line's moving in. That's round 1 of thunderstorms. We get a little bit of a break. Here comes the cold front, and the cold front has this line of showers and thunderstorms, and out ahead of it, potentially some supercells. Those supercells could become tornadic. The whole line could be producing 60 to 70 mile an hour straight line winds as it moves through. Then rain showers behind that Friday morning with temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s. So it is going to be a much colder day for St. Patrick's Day. On top of the wind and the hail threat and the tornado threat, there is a threat for flash flooding, especially over deep East Texas, where we could see up to an inch, inch and a half of rainfall, and even maybe some minor flooding around Mineola and Emory. So we're talking about all kinds of severe weather for Thursday, straight line winds, large hail, tornadoes, and even some flash flooding. Thanks for reading the CBS 19 weather blog.